Phone on sale, TV on sale, check out the price. The price is reasonable. Check out the price, check out the deal. Come look it, come grab it.
I don't know wicked. Olha, isso aqui é pizza, faz.
Hola.
Any cables on sale $15,000. Airports on sale for $8,000. Buy any t-shirt, shirt, or shorts, buy one get one free. Sale on Samsung phones and laptops. Phones on sale from $7,000. Big 10-inch tablet on sale for $8,000. Laptops on sale for $30,000. Any Clarks, any tickets on sale $15,000. Airports on sale for $8,000. Buy any t-shirt, shirt, or shirt, buy one get one free. Sale on Samsung phones and laptops. Phones on sale for $7,000. Big 10-inch tablet on sale for $8,000.
Got you.
Magician free if I know it's in a real, me know it's in a real. Them all know how do me heart, how do me right. Listen to me about how me feeling just last for you. No watching close when I'm around.
Once I reach it, I'm gonna go straight to seaside. Yeah, and come back up. I'm still going to do it. That is the second part that I tell you about. Yo, whoa. Sun weak, yo. My youth, let me tell you, say sun right now. When we start coconut water, I have to go with that. That's what one boy in the pump. Yeah, you know, woman or other man. When you see me go sleep, I look at the blouse and skirt. I'm not normal, man. Yo. I always like to catch up them kind of vibe in the evening. Eh? Hear that? Alright. Yeah, I'm on every time.
So come and catch the sale. And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 give you any PLC. $1,000 give you any PLC. You have click near the nose and ears. Click near the nose and ears. $1,000 give you any PLC. So come and catch the sale. And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the pain.
Come on. You better get to tell everybody.
There, man, both them we now come today. We have come forward.
Yeah, from what day I'm there for forward, down here I'm not forward.
Them say I come tomorrow, so I'm not come here.
I told them when we done it from earlier. I cut and go up the road and shoot down. I know, man. We're so forward.
Yeah man, $1,500 pound, sponsor 15, $1,500 pound, $1,500 pound.
Big man, you're going to appreciate the boy shirt and all these things and children. Anything in our life, you can cheer things that are anything you take up a cheek, okay? So listen to me. Anything I cheer, okay? Anything I cheer, okay? Come on, the girls and shirts and ties and all these things. Look for them, look for them. Look for them shirt, look for them shirt ties and the one they want to play one day. Get check on that one day. Anything I cheer, okay?
What would happen?
Yeah, no, madam, he said me cheap and I used to come check me. You would have been like me. Yeah, madam, cheap. Yeah, cheap. Anything in our life, cheap is. Madam, go get it from Michelle.
Joseph, booking a forward.
No, I'm not reaching. If you want to go this morning, I'm said
Anything on cheap is in our ear.
Boyfriend pants, friend pants, rip pants. Yeah man, 1500 pants, pants are 15.
Anything in our life, for children, I get it from the Black Friday sale.
Man cheese, man shots, seal out for the man pants and shots. Man cheese, man shots and
Lady 5 slippers in air road. Lady man and woman slippers 500. Lady man and woman slippers 500. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady me have boy sneakers. Lady me have girl sneakers. Lady 2 slippers in air road. Lady 2 slippers in air road. Lady 2 slippers in air road. Lady me have slippers 500. Lady man and woman slippers 500. Lady man and woman slippers 500. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady run and make a middle. Lady run and sell out. Lady get your sell out. Lady school your sell out. Lady train your sell out. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady link up on new slippers. Lady come and sit on us. Lady come and sit on us. Lady link up on new
Bigger run then. Yeah, Jamaica are the best. How much for the water?
70.
Tu che sarà te per vedere.
Sit here.
1950
Yes.
Cheap. Thank you. Hey, you greet her a while ago? Jeez. No man, me know man. You're a big friend. Yo, don't play with the Jamaicans here now.
Just a big book from me, I can't look on the wall. But them from the forest to them can't smell like that. But them would have laughed if them get to them hard.
Godfather. Yeah, man, me there do it again, you know. But from my past, you know, me have to stop and give her one check, though. Yeah, man, me like a whole heap of sitting here go out there say, you know, man. Yeah. So, no know anything go on my G. Half a forward there, so. Yeah? Yeah. Manners.
Them are linked from since another week. They have around 10 years, 11 years, you know hear from them.
You don't hear from them?
Yeah, and they start linking, you know, like man say start get some equipment. And man say man like dream I give you the equipment.
That means saying whole one give you, no man.
Yeah. So you know if I get a price record, you put up everything, bro.
Yo, go on good, come I tell us, say, never get nothing like that what you give me. From you give me that, brother. Yeah, brother. Up to this day, me like a porridge, my G. Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Me nah go around here, man.
Yes, brother.
So say I put in whole heap of work and well stuck up back and sit.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of bush and thing. Once you know, so I have to check a brother here. If you want to get started out, man, your body want to get back 100. Build an immune system. You understand? Clean out the body, purge out the body. Everything, flush out the body. Yo, one night time, the first time I meet a GI, man, I say, the boy a wash out from him. I tell him a brawling, a cleanser, a coolant cleanser and thing. And I tell you, months. I'm still a relief, light like soldiers on sitting with me see, bro. Cause like from my band, them there they no move. I swear. Yeah, you have no more of them? Cold and cleanse and thing? Why small is that? You give me one like in our magnum back because 2 dose. Yeah. Come go so 2 times. I want to get one for babes.
Yeah, man.
So I said to them, now I'm passing, I have to make sure I stop a foot, you see me?
Yeah, sugar them.
When I small back, I never them big one.
You know, man, I get small back.
Oh. Yeah, bro. Down at town, so listen me now. If you want the body to up and running band, natural. You understand natural things. We're not talking about no scientific, no. We're talking about from the ground, natural herbs. Yo, me's a living testimony. That G, I've been a drink roots and wash out and all of them things they bro from my youth. But you see that one, yeah? Yo, the man give me something to drink, brother. I tell you, say, whole intestine clean. Light. You know, see how I can walk and them things they are not complain about nothing. When I want any kind of roots, man, I just circle, you see it? And get it. Front end lifter, every kind of lifter. Are you good to go? Oh, them look like a frankincense or more them, eh? What I want there? Gummer rabbit. What I want good for?
We're going to Irish mash.
Oh, we're going to Irish mash.
Well, with the Irish mash.
Blouse and skirt. See it yeah.
Label on the mic, put label on it.
Yeah, put a label on that one. Yeah, I hit same one that man. So massive, you know, we back at it again. It's been a few little months and thing. So we're going to gas it back up again. Clean off, up and running for the road. Yeah, man. So just I get it label up and things so I can show you what it look like. So all like massive, them I don't know now watch a video, them I don't want the natural cleanser, them they want the natural immune system builder and all them things there. Yeah, who are so here when man say who are suffer from sugar. The diabetes a kill you. Circle man no man. You have to take insulin, circle man no man. See them there what Medina that.
Medina, yeah.
Blows and screw. One time Medina used to down on my side enough. I don't know look like people they start eat and drink them off.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to.
Yes, brother.
You understand? You go else you go doctor till a week. Yes man. You see how my lady a yard?
Yeah.
Make she stay far from dog blood, you know.
Right.
What you mean, man? We want more youth.
How much you think?
We don't want you drinking all that time. I'm staying far.
I know that I want to go find it.
Eh?
Yeah, like when she has a regular period.
Yeah. With an easy pain and them thing they and purge it properly.
Yes.
We no business, no, she have to go feel the pain.
How much you
Like,
take
be afraid that.
How much you take it, brother?
Eh?
How much you take it?
2.
Oh, more man.
Nah, man, we are 7. Listen, man, when they are great father and all them things, they man have time for them, man. You know what more one? 2 a buck up. Yeah, man, them thing they pressure you, man. Yeah, my teacher. Especially you know, so we are breadwinner and we have you out there, you know. And when they attach to you, it's a different kind of thing. They don't even want to let your yard.
Well, I'm saying that I'm firm and I'm strong in her.
Me get the boy, say, all in the desk and the daughter, now our next youth, I go take with that one there.
Yeah.
Eh, see it, you massive. No joke, no joke. So we make them know. You understand how much for a buckle like this, yeah?
$2.
So $2 for the buckle here, you see me massive. And I see him two dose, no, just drink half.
Yeah, 2 drink.
And then how much day after that me can drink it half again?
You know, drink like 1 in the morning.
Yeah.
6 o'clock. You eat 8 o'clock. You drink back 3 o'clock. You eat back 5 o'clock.
Lord, that's great. Me?
So 2 hours after you eat and drink.
So run that again, you say?
You drink it 6 o'clock.
Yeah, like when you wake up,
Yeah.
you drink it on an empty stomach.
Yes.
Yeah.
9 o'clock you eat and drink. That means you make nothing into your body after you drink that 2 hour time after so you can eat and drink anything.
So from a drinking 6, about 8, 9 o'clock before me to eat. Yeah.
And the same thing at the evening you drink it again.
Yeah.
2 hours after you eat and drink.
You hear massive.
You understand?
A mad
You
thing.
go and melt down, sugar to sugar.
Ah.
Yeah, brother.
Massive. Make a pay for this quick and fast. Because I don't know my thing going on. We now cut. We just show them the natural vibe. Same speed as we down at town. Understand? Yeah, man. Down at town. See it, my teacher. Blessings and love. Always, bro. What you mean? Yeah, but see it, they're healing, you know. A Jamaica walk by if him never know, yeah? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. I'm a general, man. But they show me testimony, man. I can't start. You know, see, if I don't see you more time, I talk about it same speed, brother.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man.
Watch that. You imagine at the sugar medicine.
We say, give me a drink of sugar.
Yeah, so you know what one inside of you know.
Blouse and skirt.
You imagine sugar medicine. See, so you eat that. You're right, so yeah.
So that one I know for. Oh, that one I go now.
Good for high blood pressure and diabetes are good for infection.
Cheese and peas. I eat.
Yeah.
Sound like me I go on one buckle at a time, there, man.
Yeah, brother. Keep the system active, you know. Near to 3 quarter.
So massive, we take a shot right here now. Out of the sugar medicine. Clean out the information and all them things there. You see me? Where they are the roots, man? See it here. I can't tell what I say. See it here. But so that one I know. I feel the sugar, so make we go up that one down now. Look good now, man. I show you say we are doing it, you know, because we not just sell things where we not do nothing a joke thing. Watch good. The teacher say one go, so one go, you know.
Yeah, brother. Never prove what I want go. Yeah, I'm a G, man.
Boy, when you expect you have to make sure I say, ooh.
You know, have a taste nice in there, no. What?
Not be good for your body, not taste nice.
Alright.
Alright, I know. We can't even tell everything what I taste. I taste Cinco Bible. I taste some sitting. But for your taste so bitter, you know say sickness is good. The body now go. The thing that when you're in there now go like it.
No.
Because it's not sweet.
Bitter.
Man. Drain out a little.
I'm burn out any information.
Woo! I feel it like that go through my tribe.
Yeah, brother. Yes.
Yeah. Regular programming.
Yes, brother.
But massive no can't watch me. I see me I walk down the place in miles. Me have to I drink some irregular things, bro.
Right.
To keep going, you understand? So we have to circle real roots general them, you understand? Yes, sir. Woo! Where you garbage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright. Oh, see it here. Downtown. Real roots you are dealing with. That's sure that. Yeah. So teacher, that is good all the time,
yes,
you know. Your number again, give them one more time so they can shout you.
Number 356-0993. 356-0993.
Yes. So
Prince.
remember massive.
Prince.
A Prince him name. So when you just call and say Prince, I want something for something.
Yes.
Just tell him what the problem or the issue you have.
Yes.
And him we just tell you what you need. And you just circle him. See?
Yeah, brother.
And if you're not there now, Kingston, he can figure out a way for you if knock so that Senegal man to go be a wherever you're there make you get it. You understand?
Right,
See? Just send across the payment and it's something reach you. Legit. See? Prince. Art of love here.
Yes, brother. More
Outside.
life,
Every time. What from we are drink them a roots so we have to have more life, man. Big up, bro. Yeah. I'm a teacher that. Down at town. Woo! That shot there heavy. Woo! That one the bitter boy. Yeah, I feel good. I feel good. So yeah, at the G that Prince. I for all one of the cool and cleanser. You know, me's a man no ram fi eat the KFC and the Burger King and all of them things that you have to get the body clean out back. So Sunday morning now me just drink that and cleanse properly, you understand? Boy, I feel you run through my body right now. I feel you go through some cribbles and some corner in my body right now. Swear God. All I grape job.
One t-shirt, $1,000. One t-shirt, $1,000. T-shirt, $500. T-shirt, $500.
Yes, sir. One thing we did, you always dip on the work, you know. You always a work, dog. You go out today. How much are you refill this every morning?
Yeah, let's go 2 times.
Oh, 2 times.
Yeah.
How summer look?
Look active, man.
Look active. Yeah. Yo, I walk. Can see me dip on here, I tell us, you're rough. One easy. Blow, gizzard. Love it, you know. I don't have just go and do some vibe to you and show people that we want vibe. But the summer look down here, you know. Yeah, man, the summer active to do. I real talk. Yeah, even week before back to school, you know, all of them weeks they go down here. Yeah. So I go on, you see me? Go on, do it in a bro. I love you that. See, now go back, check it.
Never know you say it at the party, la fila globe. Oh, they can't tell a load of place. Oh, they can't tell a load of place.
So much things to say. Ready?
Ever ready, man? Shente, we can't pass and live in, man. Easy.
Big up Jamaica walk by TV every time. Remember, real, no real. You hear that? I want to see Jamaica walk by one of the realest blogger them.
Daddy, I tell you.
I want to shout out to you have a blogger on YouTube name, Dreadbraid. Why I want to hear him up? I always take in him thing and him talk facts about the Gaza.
Yeah.
Him no bias. I mean, I tell you a whole heap of things they are just, you know. So tell me when to start, bro.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
So many things. Fully Gaza. Big up Pearl Boss. Anyway, you're there. Remember, me downtown represent for the Gaza. I'm here some boy on TikTok and talk about 3 man whatsoever. Represent for Gaza. And them and nobody, you know. Because I never see them a cartel court case. Me and you go cartel court case.
Yeah, we did it.
Some of them.
No, you
never see them, but them a run out now about Gaza. And them a know nobody to the Gaza. Everybody know me a one man who hold up the Gaza strong.
Yo, we not even can reach us and you know beat God.
Tell them no, bro.
Straight.
Where you come here?
Every day.
Them
You not even know say me a reach.
Them play Gaza in the street. Nobody don't know them. You know, tell some more you talk about how you play Gaza every day. Me have to diss out some more and send them up.
Every day.
A Keystone,
Every
that
day.
Vice Cartel Keystone.
Every
But me have something
day.
for address. Massacre. You shouldn't do it. You see what Massacre and Josh do? How them sit down and reasonable. You hear that, bro? Cause me and my friend sit down and reasonable something. I'm going to go somewhere and I'm here, my friend. My friend will jump out and talk with me and me talk. Wrong, I'm right.
Masika say Josh the on the aisle.
No, never done. You swear Josh on the aisle and Josh will go and talk.
Yeah, come in.
Yo, remember collect my money and me I come back.
Yeah, but what's it? Masika say Josh on the aisle. But you don't know, Shete a real Gaza general, so he must be addressing.
Yo, no, me have to address this, bro. Cause watch on Jamaica, I buy a real slagger, me go watch interview later. You see when Joshy, I let go all of them talk, they want me lick at it. Gaza Nation, big up on yourself. Big up my Gaza brothers and sisters. Big up my daddy real boss. Anyway, you hold on, you see when Joshy, they go to talk them on the stage. You know what Massacre said? We will kill him in a real life. That him say after Joshy don't talk. So all you gonna tell me say, Joshy I go come for interview and Massacre
Him should I just say that? Him should I just say that?
Wait till 4 days.
Yeah.
Watch every interview. Me the fuck, me there step ahead of the vlogger there.
Artist, you see a real Gaza man, you can't go around.
No, you know. More than waste, man. You can't talk to no bias. Bro, me a real Gaza, me and no boy talk about the Gaza and them no real never diss them. Really. But back to me that.
Yeah. Let's try to finish up.
You see when Josh Shile got the talk, here Massacre. We go kill them too in a real life. You know hear that?
Yeah, we hear that.
Then,
remember me down there?
Yeah,
remember me video here?
Yeah. And bro, when you give them this, make sure you give them this back the whole Gaza scene. So talk to you, baby, but watch you now. So when Josh Shile got the talk, here Massacre, we go kill him too in a real life. Then hear him now in a something. Me never hear when him say, or when him don't talk, me Massacre, come on, man. How you behave like you want? Me not cuss about it, because more the black for go viral. How you behave like you girl? I hear the same one come for the black and say, hold on, Rasta. The same one come and say, Massacre did, Joshie did under him liquor. But when Joshie did attack, you said, we're going to kill them in a real life. But if we make them talk, they would.
So, you know what?
So when Gaza do him show overseas and Cartel big up, Cartel a sing with you genuinely. For sure you say the man rate you, bro. Though this cigar.
So I mean from my forward out, me I realize there's something go wrong around there now. What do you think happen? Because me no hear no.
Massacre, they don't want to work after Cartel. He didn't want Cartel right before him. Because he want to feel like same higher than Cartel. Listen, the dark job come to hit song. And you don't know where Jamaica we like it. You see, me no say nobody for no Gaza. And when you hear me, I give some boys some pass.
But to be honest right now,
yeah, but
Cartel go on Sunfest and Sunfest broke records.
Bro, you ever see nobody come out of Sunfest, bro?
Yeah. And that's true, bro.
Put up the wall of this,
me dead it.
Bro.
And me never yet see Sunfest so full, dog.
Watch them black, I'm like
I trample people trample me, that's what they never got me yard, you know.
I like how you video the crowd, cause some black gonna see the crowd reaction.
Yeah, me I show them everything.
See teacher, DJ, but you know, me say everything.
Yeah, Cartel now for perform, you know. He can't just stand up there and dry song, you know.
Cartel take the show, you know, bro.
Me personally think, I tell you.
Boys say vendetta, what them want to say, but them never pay them money and watch them artists.
True. I'm gonna show you one thing, though.
You see me, bro? I pay them good money.
Yeah.
Hard working money, I'm gonna watch teacher perform.
Yeah.
But you ever see some festivals, so?
Never. Record breaking.
Bro, Cartel, everybody come out to see.
But not even them, they know the place that's so full.
You look a boy, you for be able to say, they respect you, you for give it, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna show you something now.
Yeah,
hold on, listen about it now. Hold on, listen about it now.
This is a Gaza black.
Alright, so I'm gonna say this now. Listen to one now. See, me did the show. Me realize that a general not get no credit. You see, Cartel never have a perform. Cartel just can turn up on the stage and just draw one song and it done. But you see a man who did half a perform and him perform and me feel like he work for every single forward when get governor.
No, watch out.
Without a doubt,
Me
bro.
not talk this without no apology. One car lick, one chichi bus, ram in a governor mother car right there so.
Yeah.
And I me rush a chichi bus driver. We can't talk this man TV or anything cause we don't business. You no care do me nothing. When the car slam in a governor mother car right there so. I me run out and hold the JUTC boy. Cause him now come out and bust him up on the phone and call police. Ask him, cause my friend locked it in my car. And me run out on him and hold him and give him 3 bucks in my face. Bro, and then I go down in a lane cause police that come. They can't put it up on the block. Me no care, when the car do me nothing, you done and car, we fully bad. When the boy lick governor mother car, yes so, and me run out and hold him and give him 3 bucks in his face. I want Rasta boy that drive the JUTC bus. Right there so, nearly kill governor mother and Latin I can hold him and box him up.
Right,
I come out and check if the woman them alright. And I mean run out in the road, nearly say, I feel it bro, cause I think them dead. Ask governor mother that. I mean lot of friends run out and box up JUTC boy. Back to the Gaza business. Cartel, why you know this? You see your cartel now, you're too real. Everything authentic boy. Me no see you show no fakeness. You show the boy them genuinely and show them say you want some other giant car. Watch you know. You know look out for yourself, you know. You look out for other artists. Me not be biased on the vlog. You look out for other artists cause the NID me you come out and say yo, in an Afrobeat, you have more than one giant. So a boss try to bring some other giant. The more say him a done the man. The boss try to bring some man can keep up the thing that's when him easy back so them have the business and know say yo a Gaza and a dance hall bro. The man a bring massacre.
So,
bro.
So you can second this not because you're Gaza man. You know say since Cartel come out of jail though, dance all nice again.
Bro, dance all up nice in
you know say one to me, me not bias. Me yes when time enough is say dance all they jail.
No man never tell a lie, bro.
Yeah, I never lie.
Bro, Mr. Vegas take him live and say Cartel and make me I get more money than no charge.
So we can agree that Ninja Man a profit.
No, Ninja Man a profit. no, a profit.
Yeah, Ninja Man a profit.
Leave Gaza kick it down and back, say one Ninja Man, you fully bad.
Ninja Man say, when if Cartel is about 6 years.
Come say Cartel now gonna know him money and a true. The boy, them bad mind out there, bro. Them don't like greatness.
And he also say, the moment him can lift up, if he lift up.
Watch this now, imagine me I lead the way.
Yeah.
Every eagle make money. Just to show you a pie. Imagine me I lead the way. To make every eagle make money. Me I say 3 grand for this. So every eagle can hold price and make a 3. You see it? And you have a dirty boy around this I say 15 bits. Just to show me I raise the bar. Me I make everybody make money cause me and the man. Me everybody I live up to. Look up to me and lead the way. I have some boy attack things from turn on and focus on them. Tell me if them no waste man. Cause me I walk up door for them make more money. Cartel I lead the way no bro.
Yeah, man lead the way.
Lead the way phony you know.
Lead the way.
And them come and make use. The man them true word. Everybody I compare Cartel with the other artists. You know them want Cartel to turn around. When the man they lead you know. I lead the way. And I walk up doors to we.
Yeah, in Mecca.
Listen up. Them true word for the man stop and turn on and focus on them.
But him done say nah go do that. Him done say nah go do that. That can't go because
I lead the way and me make money. Me say, here teacher.
Every show seller.
You see Mr. Vegas, one time I never rate him, but I see him see the real thing and him come out time attack props. The man say, teacher, you make me make more money. You walk up the door. Him show respect and ratings. Big up to Mr.
And to be honest with you, if you know Cartel book on a show and you as a normal artist get book feed, you know say you get a big crowd. You know say all the price you can get, you can say
stage show right now. I hush. Shensia, I have Cartel and every other body. I mean what say yo, you have one money and you can't pay a Cartel. And if you have to get Shensia, you have to go bust it or get more. You have to take me book Cartel. Because Cartel can draw the crowd to make them
they just want to see him.
I really want to hear Shensia song, you know. Big up to Shensia, but a fully Gaza.
Me understand the match you say. Them a go just because.
And start by Shensia say so I can't come back as well. Shake it to the match. Shake, me don't want to see that over there, daddy man. More God dancer here. Father devil, beat the devil, and be a blanca boss. And the dog them get mad.
Shensia for girl them.
Bro, what you know? Boy, when me a chat on the door, chatting to me I never tell you this, you know. Jamaica walk by. Me with this some boy, you know.
Nobody
real Gaza, we keep Me keep birthday, yes so. For cartel out of my pocket. Spend my money, buy whole heap of liquor. Me a video car show. Me not run in. Like how you see some boy
I don't joke it.
Them a Gaza this, them is not Gaza. Me keep Gaza birthday, yes so. Out of my pocket every January the 7th. You know a cartel birthday that dog. But me no push up cause me a real Gaza man.
Yeah, the dog.
Me know which blogger fake from who no fake and who a chat to get a hype. You see?
The bro G.
You see Nico Fire?
Yeah.
Boy Nico Fire forgave himself. The man love controversy and him chat too much. The man more big like a girl back pocket. When you have to behave yourself, you coming like Footisha. Stop it. You say you Nico Fire. Brother, you better post it, make him see you Nico Fire and Footisha. Behave when you look yourself, bro. When you can't talk things and get bro, you're not fear use cartel. You Nico Fire, you can't cartel name, but when him raise him feet and you have to apologize. Bro, cartel deserve him crown, you go talk about Ray. Same stage being the man get crown pan, you know, bro. You have to stop the fooling shit, you know, bro. Dog, when you get cartel in props, I want to help push the artists because it benefit the other artists.
It benefit everybody.
Everybody, bro. Always see Alkaline come and talk about him not an idol and all people for motivate you. People can motivate you, yes, but you have to have somebody to teach you the road so you look up to and you know say rare. Big up to touch man. We not really rate him.
Yeah, but remember say cartel come out and say him normally have to watch. You ever say him normally watch artists?
And you hear no other artists are playing on this.
No, straight Gaza.
Play Alkaline on this, lift it up and mash it up. Brawl. The lone Gaza playing on this. You hear that, bro? Me a Gaza man. You hear that, but what you know? Irish and Chin. Where they make a look at talk.
Listen to me. Me can't adjust the one of them.
No, me just everybody, bro. Cause this interview is all about the Gaza. The Irish and Chin. Me nah go burn him out.
Yeah.
You know why? Him say cartel bigger than the king. But then anyway, an idea cartel, I forget the king, you know, to show him status, you know. Cause you know we say king out here, king and queen. Spice are the queen, cartel are the king. You have to just big up cartel, bro. You hear me say, bro? He make a statement and say, cartel bigger than the king. Kinda understand that. Cause cartel far, far bigger than the king. But him still have to own the king title.
Yeah.
We just show and know say, oh, me are the man. Yeah. Which him are the man and the whole of we know. We never want a king title to prove nothing. But I'm telling you this start. Put some respect on Vice Cartel name. You hear that, bro? A one real boss. Big up DJ Jedbread. I went one him, but that vlogger there, I want real vlogger on YouTube. Him think them accurate.
Yeah.
I'm like him reason. You hear that? Brando. Big up Brando too. The rest of vlogger them are some.
Hey, you're not, and that's something you're not just attacking.
No,
you sit down, you're lucky, man. You're lucky, man.
Spend my money and go watch the teacher and know everything.
You're lucky.
Me say the cartel, so me can DJ cartel let them boy they don't know. You hear that, bro? Brando, DJ Jedbed, with all them thing. Accurate, bro. You hear that, bro? Me I tell you Jamaica walk back.
Don't got
so me want big up Vice Cartel and me no want a boy go like you no want go around the teacher thing. Bro, you remember, you see where there when Josh come out on the stage and talk about me see Corona go out and Corona come in. Cartel come on the stage. The man remind them who him is. The dog. The man plug out every light over sunset. The man take out the moon while glow up the look of night. The man take down everything. The man dark. Brother, can't take dark up the place. That was a cool reminder.
No.
And when the dog a DJ that you know song me never hear. Father Dave.
Most of them then take them out time set.
Bro, and guess what now? Cartel now for gonna kill me now. The stage a cartel Kim. The dog work till him sweat, you see dog use the belly. Bro!
Them and
bro! This is a cartel Kim, bro. I want real boss, bro. Nah, wanna be up on yourself. Wanna be up on yourself.
You tell them.
Me in the street I play cartel song every day. Nobody now play the song in the street, you know. When I come in every day, Jamaica walk by TV. What kind of song you hear I play?
Only cartel. Only world boss.
Only world boss, bro. And we are the real guys.
And you been a said that all from India jail.
Boy, I thought me can't tell you which flag are real from who not real.
And India jail.
Enough of them just use the thing right now to get look bruise and make look money. Like all Hungry Belly Sir P. We go back to Sir P page. I comment, me disturb. Me comment and sexy girl, me so talk to you. Watch this. Me go over Serpy page, me this Serpy brawling. Me comment on this thing brawling with my page. Me not hide no face, no. I want to tell you that we full it up out here. Me not feel exaggerate. Cause Serpy and him waist. Oh, if we avoid cartel shit, as what Serpy said, the people them over there every day and listen. All I know, people them will listen to Serpy and cartel name. Every day, them are what to him. No, no. Can say we are cartel sheep. And every day the man they pan cartel. I want to tell him.
So he might say like a biggest sheep then.
I my biggest sheep and the people them over the car. Every phone in the Serpy say them buy it. And brother, I can't tell me not anything cartel say me I work with. Cause Serpy live pan cartel name the whole year and not one somebody to say Serpy, you know, so you do a foolish. Every day cartel name, cartel na see you. You use, if the man a cartel name, him not get 20,000 rules, you know.
Jesus.
Serpy, I want hungry belly.
Sure.
Bro, I'm telling me I just everybody this. Serpy, I want hungry belly vlogger. You Serpy, see me, I don't tell me that pitch on cheap myself and I can't do me nothing. We fully tough. And if you reach me, I have to go through my friend then. Serpy, you're a waste man, you're a waste vlogger. We are cartel sheep, but we don't know what to say about the rest of you. People them.
Where's ready now?
It's like the people them that say
come, shut it.
I have a cartel.
Come.
Me a come.
Yo, Shete does attack how him feel. You understand?
Sarah.
Jesus Christ. Bird them a fly. Them a bird that are living on the sky. Jesus peace.
Yo, back again.
Shete. Yo, Shete, listen to me. Yo, me now walk. Right now, guys, I take half I sure. You understand? I can finish here. This need to go. Listen to me. Live. One idea I have to do a live and we can talk. So people can actually talk to you as you talk. I have to go do it so.
Disappoint me.
No.
Me have so many
Jesus
things to
Yeah.
Come, give me 3 more minutes. Watch this.
Jesus peace.
Vice Cartel are the real big man.
Yo, my brother. Hold on, see something I drop brother. Yo, shut it. Listen me. Me have to go make sure so me give a show. Me have to go give shut it address the nation downtown about the Gaza. Me give half a show already. So me have done the other half and me have to give a personal show.
Money time right now.
I swear.
Never address no boy again on the wait man. Come on some distribution.
Yeah, say by Jamaica walk by.
See by Jamaica walk by. Pussy on looking at me eye. And someone they run out on TikTok. But 3 vlogger. I own a boy. Nobody know. We not street represent Gaza and I play Gaza every day. When cartel come on road, no found out about Gaza boy. Court deal with it. One tune someone go and wait man. We are only going to blood.
Yeah, we can't second that. Yo. We have to go make shut a free mind on an episode by himself.
Yo, Jamaica walk by more say everything.
Listen me. You know me not ramp with down at all, you know. You don't ramp with down at all. Me not cut out no. I want this. Listen me. I want the bird never fly.
Jamaica walk by.
I wish like to hear pitch man.
Watch out, man.
What is?
Jamaica walk by. They don't want me to walk, but I keep up in, and I'm not stop up. Even for up the taxi, up the bus. But we're not, I'm not chichi bus. But watch out, we don't talk patois anymore. And we don't talk Spanish, but we talk dancehall. And we in the street, and we talk Kumai. What go on? And we start them attack. Them attack about Sunfest. It's a fest. But you go on now. You see Joshy, you know the game, you catch up to the game, because guess what? If you want to reach, shoot off for the bigger league. So what you doing now, Joshy? So watch it play.
It's a smart move.
A smart move, you know. But make sure you have your fans.
Yeah, be careful.
Because Movara do it, Alkaline do it. And you see what go on. Their pocket full, their bank account full. Joshua want his pocket full. So he got to do what he got to do to make his pocket full. Which is right. Big up World Bossy teacher. They say you do your lead. We see you there full head of speed. But the youth them off the shoot. Because this is dancehall. Mama say you shoot off for Ninja Man. You shoot off for Bundy. You shoot off for Wayne Marshall. You shoot off for Bling Dog. You shoot off for the entire dancehall and get the top. And get the crown.
Cartel do it, you know, Cartel have a shoot off for them three if you want to make him name it up.
So people who don't beat Joshy, give him a chance to say if him have lyrics. We know him not have lyrics like Cartel, but at least give him a try. Because I'm not going to be a try about a failure. So make you try and think. Massacre, come on now. You've been chip cherry out. What you doing? You need to be your own fans, yo. What you doing, Massacre? I don't like that now. That's my friend. He's fully Gaza. And he's a Gaza street. He's a Gaza nation youth out here. He's for the whole Gaza empire. Remember that you represent Gaza. But watch out, big up yourself out here. And dancehall and the thing we don't have no fear. Big up the whole dancehall nation and shut your boss. And then you tell them a town say, oh, fully Gaza. Like on the place like Frizzy Gaza. Coffee badness. You don't need to sing no more. I'm out.
That's a cool. Yo.
Fully Gaza. Remember turn up my boss.
Clothes and skirts.
Remember that about Gaza? Fully. You know when I say Gaza, guess why me say Gaza? Yeah, I use my cellular, get girl regular. Nokia cellular, get girl regular. Samsung cellular, get girl regular.
Hello, motor.
Girl, if you know about phone, she give you the number. You have to know from them start, but them say I walk, man, from them. If you walk, I see you in a bus stop, don't look at girl, we see at the bus stop. Come on, let them get your talk. So them change man like.
I know say not even draw that one or something.
Taxi driver, so
Not a chance.
Cadillac. Make girls say, man, daddy now. She want to move on, man.
Remember Ferrari.
Come here, hear them. What are they every girl coming down the whip?
Some of them
sound like banana chips. No,
outside. Yeah. We're outside. Yo, Shete, it's a show, man. Yo.
Tomorrow we have Sheldon. Remember every week we do show. Some boy have waited 4 months to no hungry artist. So we do it. Hungry belly artist. Hey boy, remember your sister manager. Remember your sister manager career. Hungry belly boy. Your sister manager career. Hungry belly. Trashy. Nobody don't turn and play trashy.
Watch out now.
Yo, my guy. No. We not start another program.
Watch out now. Trashy don't size up. Alka blind, listen to me.
Nobody don't turn and play trashy.
Member say Alka blind. Member say Alka blind, it say the circle number da. When I stop saying
Shut it. But now bring this back to high school, you know. High school, we now bring it back to high school, you know. Jesus Christ.
Casa living.
Casa living.
Fully Gaza.
What is that number?
I'm out. Big up cartel anywhere you're there. Yo, Massacre, we lose our fire in a Kaya and Josh could sit on a third. That's why I'm coming back here.
Yeah, but you were going. No, you were going.
Casa living.
I'm not really punishing me now. Because remember say the boss that prison him link the boss.
No, you're punishing.
No, you are not. Remember say no.
Yo, shut it. Sit.
What's Gaza genocide. Watch out, remember him say Gaza genocide. You see when the boss that prison, but here we go on. Josh them did a overthink and a overrule and not know where the boss and the honor way man for world boss.
Alright,
watch it. Adija Palmer, Massacre honor him.
Alright, watch it.
That's why I apologize.
Stick up it.
Yeah.
Cartel show. Me a Bumbo Clan Massacre. Me hear the backstage and reason about something. Hear the on some topic. But me now explain it and come out on stage, come address it.
Yeah.
And you, now go on for your career, mash up your flap and this and that. Nobody no member your blood clot.
Yeah.
But me did a chat real boss backstage. You know think you're going to run out and chat to me that chat.
I turn the table.
I went in my Massacre around there, that chat.
Them that sauce. Them that sauce.
Yo, big up that sexy girl.
Show her shape. Try big body man.
Yo, come here, baby. Hello.
Just show it 360. Just turn 50.
Come
Yo, shut the must set up everybody. Yeah, man, I look good, girl.
Big up my nice customer, so I body big. Police Babakas, yeah. Watch this now. Trashy and Massacre, they backstage and reason about it. Remember Trashy, nobody no know him. A big waist man. Trashy can't even say don't come
Shete. Yo. Look up. Yo. Me what CF Shete, CF sub. Me say you need a program. CF sub. CF sub. CF sub. CF sub. CF sub.
Real Gaza CEO. Zoom in for me chain. Where is man? Shete boss. And you have a real boss. Oh, what is that? Me knows.
I'm out. Jesus Christ, the Lord has Christ. One Shete fashion. Massive, they have to go give Shete one program for himself. Yeah, Shete have to go get one. Everything. We can't go around down a town. You mad? You must can't go back down here. Jesus Christ. Shete. Oh gosh. No, sir. Yo. Boy, but doesn't catch a vibe, sure. They have a helicopter blow up. But doesn't catch a vibe down a town, we see. What really are going down a town when it comes down to this? It's summer, but me forget say, me totally forget say, some place was what day here. Them man them are gonna have them feelings are bubbly, you know, cause them want to know what's what and they want free them mind. I don't know Shete a real Gaza man, you understand? Me have to go give Shete a vibe for him speak his mind by himself, you see me? So him can just express him feelings, no joke thing. I swear to you, bro. Why? I want nice to go vibe still. We can't doubt that. Boy, I don't know. I ain't man, big up our respect, you know. I have to respect, hear that. Boy, I say Shete a while ago, Shete sex. Let me get Shete a soup to blow outside. Yeah. So massive. I don't got told that we are trying to close it, you see me? Hold on, I want to go on over here, so. But, oh my, I have wake up to blows as girl. Shete make a laugh till a week. I laugh till a week, massive. But, yeah, it's a vibe and it's an energy. What time? Alright. So, down a town always I keep massive. You see me? So, some man them might express how them feel, you know what I mean? Oh my word. So much information, jeez. So big up Shete my boss. You understand? All of the G them always same speed, no joke, no down. Darling Street Police Station. Georgia no. So yeah, down at town new parking lot the right also too as well. So yeah man, you can express your feelings them in the comment section. And wanna say to Shete. Cause I don't know Shete boss. Yeah, me personally, you don't know cartel, me not put cartel in that category. Yeah. So we are XO cartel. So because I know this year for a cartel make so much crowd there at some fest. Some fest that was all cartel for tell you. Yes. Yo, highway bus this here now. Watch out, people that try to go in from now through window.
You want to buy the window, brother? Done it already and you still do the same fucking thing.
We lock the window, nobody till window.
Yeah, you don't know, Maypen bus park and thing. Maypen, Spanish Town bus park. Yeah. So I say, shit, I have enough things that I want to express. Is it? I say I forget some fest did a weekend.
Why would our organs start flowing?
So yeah, we just leave the bus park and we are head towards Pecan Street, isn't it? Just a nice little cozy movement in the evening. I can see the whole vibe of downtown in the summer. One thing though, people always be asking me for downtown videos different time. And there's so much person from downtown area and in around downtown that always watch the channel. So I always have to do these type of videos. See me I say? Yeah. So remember, when I don't know the views of the people or the views of the people, everybody have them right to them talk, you understand? So when you hear Shetty talk, Shetty express himself or him feel, and when him see her go on, you understand? Yeah. So that's a code. Edward Siaga Sports Complex. So it's always a blessing to see where I have become. You understand? Let me rephrase that. It is such a blessing to see how far we, all of us, you see it, have reached. I tell you the truth, because God knows. Remember when we have buffer forget 10 views or 100 views, and so now we have so much person where even request videos and stuff like that, but you don't know where I come towards a close for that video, yeah. You see me? So it's just blessings and respect. And downtown, you know, downtown big, so you don't know in each video when I go see some different place, same way. Like when I have to wonder, but downtown big. Some of them places still want to sort out, but I can guarantee you that probably, well, in the future, it might be different. Who knows? Big up, respect to everybody who watch the video. You understand? Leave your thoughts about everything in the comment section. Zine? Yeah, man. That's a cool. Art of love.